मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना, मैं समंदर हूं लौट कर वापिस आऊंगा।
Devendra Fadnavis is the man of the moment. He can create history in Maharashtra after raking in a third term. Fadnavis was the first Maharashtra CM since Vasantrao Naik in 1967 to complete a full 5-year term from 2014 to 19. He rose to fame after being Nagpur's youngest mayor in 1992, with PM Modi calling him Nagpur's gift to Maharashtra. He became the second youngest Maharashtra CM at 44 after NCP patriarch Sharad Pawar. Fadnavis was rewarded in 2014 for winning the highest number of seats till then at 122. He outdid himself this term, raking in 132 seats for the Saffron Party. This will be the 54-year-old's third term after a full first term in 2014 and a humiliating 72-hour term in the consecutive one. In 2019, BJP won 105 seats and had a clear majority at 161 with Shiv Sena. But Uddhav Thackeray chose to walk away from the alliance after BJP refused the seat-sharing arrangement. Fadnavis took an early morning oath with Sharad Pawar's nephew Ajit as deputy, having engineered a faction in NCP. He resigned after Ajit withdrew and returned to his uncle. Before embarking on a 2.5-year term as the leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly, Fadnavis said,
मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना, मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना, मैं समंदर हूं लौट कर वापिस आऊंगा।
In 2022, he engineered a split in Shiv Sena and a year later in NCP, forming a government as deputy with Eknath Shinde at the helm and Ajit Pawar by his side. Many saw this as the downsizing of Fadnavis, who disappointed after 9 seats in Lok Sabha for Maharashtra as against 23 in 2019. Fadnavis took responsibility, offered to resign, and when stopped, took it upon himself to uplift cadre morale, conducting 75 rallies in 36 districts in 5 months. After the landslide victory, Fadnavis said he was like Abhimanyu, penetrating the Chakravyuh laid by his enemies.
मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि मैं आधुनिक अभिमन्यु हूँ, चक्रव्यूह को भेदना जानता हूँ। हमने चक्रव्यूह को भेदा है और ये कोई मैं पहले भी कह रहा हूँ, वापस कह रहा हूँ, इस विजय में मेरा बहुत छोटा उसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि सहभाग है। एक ये हमारी जो पूरी टीम है, इस टीम ने इस विजय को लाया है।
The breaking of Shiv Sena and NCP is seen as his revenge for 2019. A lawyer by profession with roots in the RSS and ABVP, Fadnavis contested his 6th assembly term this time.